Hey everyone, today I'll tell you how to fix debit card not working on iPhone. First open settings on iPhone and go to Wallet and Apple Pay. Ensure your debit card is listed. A debit card is missing. Tap Add Card to scan or manually input your card details. Tap the card to see if any notifications or verification steps are needed. Then ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then if it's okay, then go to General Software Update to install updates and restart the phone. If it's not working, then log out of your Apple ID and by tapping your name in settings, then sign back in. Verify your bank account that your card has no restrictions or deadline payments. If all else fails, remove the card and add to back to Wallet and Apple Pay. And that's how you can fix debit card not working on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.